Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of the video on Finmo updates. In the first video, we understood what are the Finmo services broadly, and here let me take you through the system, how the Finmo as a system works, how it is different vis-a-vis the mutual funds and other investment products. Many of us, we have seen there's so many changes we have done in the last 1 year, 1.5 years. Why these changes are required? So for this, I need to explain how the advisory services work. Let me talk about first the Rupee Rakshak, the stock portfolios. So advisory portfolios on direct equity, especially like stock portfolios for retail clients, it offers unique advantages over the traditional collective funds like those of mutual funds, equity PMS, AIF. Because in an equity PMS, minimum investment is 50 lakhs. In an alternative investment fund, minimum investment is 1 crore. Mutual funds, you can do even 500 rupees or 10,000 rupees one time. But the point is, you don't have the clarity or the transparency. You get units, but you will not understand what is happening in that fund, but you just hold on to it. So this advisory portfolios give you final transparency. Every stock that is held in your account, when it is bought, at what price, when it is sold. This clarity you will not get in mutual funds, and it is also very important to know that this stock portfolios can be managed much efficiently to the market dynamics, unlike mutual funds, which is managed for the entire lot in the same proportions. So coming to this, how is this complicated vis-a-vis the mutual fund? Mutual funds are easy because you give the money goes to the common fund, and all the things are bought as one fund, and they are given, the units are just allotted, and unit has a unit price. But here it works completely different. First, there is Finmo. There is a stock portfolio called Rupee Rakshak. So the Finmo has the research team. Just like how mutual funds have their research team, fund managers, we have a research team, we have the fund managers, we have the portfolio management. So what exactly we do? We research on the markets, on the economy, and what is the returns that we can generate in a given opportunity of the economic condition and the market opportunities. And the portfolio that we create, the stock selection, what should be the stock selection now? Which sector is performing? Whenever the sector rotation happens, whenever the market dynamics changes, so we need to keep rebalancing the portfolio when something has already done exceedingly well. What performance I can expect in 3 years if it is already performed? So those rebalancing we need to do. We need to keep monitoring for generating the returns to the clients. So this entire return is based on the portfolio management and the research, which is the key. Now to do this, we need a platform. And when client comes to subscribe to a Finmo advisory product, he has to have a bank account, he has to have a broker demat account, and when he comes and subscribes to this product, there has to be a platform which connects the broker, client, and the advisor. The Finmo is the advisor, the research gives the recommendations, and the platform executes that with the broker, buy, sell, all available, the broker connecting these transactions to the exchanges, and the money for investment comes from the client bank. So if you see how this entire flow works, the research is done by Finmo. There is a platform providers. I'll explain to you in the next slide who are the platform providers. So client has to choose the platform, he has to choose the broker, he has to choose the bank that are well connected with the Finmo research desk. So this is very important, because if the bank, if it is difficult for you to transfer the money month on month, because every month if you want to do 50,000 rupees, your bank should automate that, and the broker should provide that option. And once the money is available in the broker, then the platform will take the recommendation from the whatever is the research advice on which stocks to be purchased, what quantity, and it executes, and the platform gives you login, it gives you all the report apps so that you can see everything in one place. Now this is the complication. Now issue is, if the client comes, there could be banking issues, there could be broking related issues, there could be platform related issues. So what do we control at Finmo? We control the research, we control the portfolio. We can do a very good job here, but unless the platform also does the good job, the broker also does the good job, banking also there are no issues, then everything works smoothly. So these are the dependencies. No doubt we have to make sure we choose the right platform to associate with us, right brokers who are associated with the platform, and we need to make sure clients have the bank required so that all the experience can be smooth for the client at the end. Now this is a general structure which I explained. So what exactly happens when you come and subscribe to the product? This is the next slide. The same, let's see in actuals. Let's say Ramesh has the HDFC Bank account and he opens a new HDFC Demat account. So Ramesh has this HDFC Bank account, but he do not have the securities account, that is the broking account. So HDFC Bank is different, HDFC Securities is different. So Ramesh comes with bank account and he opens an HDFC security account which is linked to the finmo.smallcase.com. Smallcase is the platform here, and once he opens this HDFC Securities account, he subscribed to Rupee Rakshak on the finmo.smallcase.com, that is the platform. So any recommendations that for this particular product Rupee Rakshak, the stock selection what is done is goes into this through this platform. It gets transacted in his own Demat account, and the money for this comes from his bank account. And once these transactions are done, he can download the app of the Smallcase platform, and he will be able to see all the transactions. Now every time there is a change, every time there is a new investment, let's say somebody is going for a monthly SIP, every month 50,000 on 5th or 10th of the month is going, he has to enable the e-mandate from the HDFC Securities so that from his bank on 5th of the month auto pay happens, and every month the money goes to his Demat account and the advice comes from the Finmo and it gets executed. So this requires some amount of involvement from the client side, because client has to have this bank account, has to have this broker account. How exactly this works is, we all know there is a hospital. So platform is like a hospital. Maybe you have Apollo Hospital. When you go to Apollo Hospital, you have all the facilities are there. But Apollo Hospital does not do the surgery. You have an expert cardiac surgeon who does take care of all the emergencies and the doctor. So hospital is a facilitator. It is, in terms of Finmo, is the doctor. Hospital is the platform. And the client comes in to get this advisory so that he can get the returns. So HDFC Securities is again like a chemist or a druggist who provide the option to buy all these stocks and reports. Bank is someone who will ensure that all payments are connected. So this works, this whole system works, the advisory products works in this fashion, and it requires some amount of client involvement. And in the next video, I will explain to you what this platform is, how to subscribe, and how to make this entire process smooth. This is good enough for people who are less than 1 crore, maybe 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. They want to start saving 15,000, 20,000. This particular system works well for them. Now, what about those who have big money? Something like 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crores. Their products are different. Now, the same platform do not support the hedged products for big transactions. So there what we do, let me just explain there. When we deal with big lump sum investments like 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crore, you need a different kind of a broker. You cannot go with anybody and everybody, because you need to have a proper integration. You need to negotiate for lower brokerage charges. You need to make sure they have sufficient technology to handle derivative trades and all these hedged strategies, because bigger the money, you need the technology support. So all execution should happen correctly. So that requires an institutional broker or a broker who has capabilities, high tech capabilities to do executions in a smoother way. Now what we do is Finmo has affiliate broker who can handle big value transactions, who can not just do only stocks but can also provide services on option strategies, provide strategies, futures, options, derivatives, currency, commodity, future. We come out with a lot of new products. He should be able to execute all those, because it's important to protect the big money in various ways that requires technology. So bigger the money, it won't work like the other platform. So what we do is, in such case, Finmo does the advice, especially products like FinOp Premium, where there is a base stock portfolio, then there is a hedged portfolio. So we need to take leverage. So your existing holdings, we take leverage of that and do short-term derivatives hedged portfolio to generate short-term profits. So that will one way protect in case the base portfolio is not performing at some times. At the same time, the enhanced portfolio, when both are performing well, it gives very high returns. So this is important to execute this. It is not going to be easy, because we need the broker to be having the required capabilities. So FinOp Premium, what it will do is, it will recommend on the email. A common email is sent in terms of what stock portfolio, what derivative strategies to be run in the system to the broker and to the client. Client receives the email for the transaction, he approves on the email, and broker, once the client approves all these transactions, and broker will complete all this transaction and confirm this. He will provide the client login where the client can see all the transaction, his profit and loss reports, P&L reports, and the broker is completely regulated by the SEBI. There is NSE exchange, there is CDSL for demands. All transactions happen with the broker, so that the client can directly see all the holdings, and broker provides these facilities. And for investments come from client's bank to the client's own demat account with the broker, and all transaction, every time whenever the client withdraws the money, it comes from broker ledger to the client's bank. So this is how the system works. Again, here it is highly research oriented product, and with a bigger size of the portfolio, it is very important that we have the right setup for this, because we need to reduce on the brokerage and ensure that, because if the brokerage is high, returns gets eaten. So, and Finmo as an advisor do not earn anything other than the fees. It is the broker who makes the brokerage, it is the bank who makes the banking charges, and Finmo does only earn advisory fee, whatever it charges on the advice given to the client, which is executed by the broker. So I hope this is very, very clear. And just to see the same in the real-time example, this is what we have FinOp Premium. FinOp Premium is for those with a minimum investment of 1.25 crores, and Finmo sends the stocks portfolio, what needs to be bought, that email to the client approves, and there is also a copy to the broker, that is BP Equity. BP Equity is an institutional broker who does only HNI transactions, and they have the required infrastructure to do high value transactions, the high tech requirement. So that is why we have chosen BP Equity as an affiliated broker who will do all the derivative transactions for the clients. And those who do stocks, we can't have stocks in one place and derivatives trading in one place. So we do stocks also under BP Equity. So this is how then Ramesh comes in with 1.25 crore big investments. The brokerages are already highly negotiated. It is lower than other brokers because volume of transaction is high. And then the money goes from SBI Bank to, which is Ramesh's bank, to BP Equities, his own ledger. And Finmo gives the recommendation what needs to be done with that money, and the broker BP Equity executes these transactions. With this, I come to the end of this video. I am very confident that you appreciate the amount of effort that we need to put in terms of ensuring smooth experience, be it technology, be it the platform or the brokerage executions and the multiple vendors involved. Besides this, we need to be on the job 24/7 in the changing market scenario to make sure we grow and protect your investments. In my next video, I'll be taking you through how the actual platform works and demonstrate how we service you. Thanks for watching.